What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. And today, I was driving around and I saw, I was just in my truck. I was cruising down to the tractor store and I look over on the curb. I see a free sign on a lawn tractor, or a lawnmower. So what I'm going to do is we're going to fill up the truck here. Okay, now, I'm going to go to Twinkies and Graysons. Hey, that's a toy. How did I never see that? Come on, get to me up there. Ah. Oh, got something right here. I can get on top. Ah. Okay, well, anyways, I'll get that toy later. But we're gonna run into Grayson's real quick. Alright, we got our Twinkies. What can I actually use to get up there? Oh, cycle bins. Ah. I want that toy. It's a collector's. Please. Alright, we'll come back later. Alright, but back to the story. I was driving around and then I looked over and I saw a free sign on a lawnmower. So we're gonna go back and go see if it's still there. I hope it is. Oh, I think I can see it from here. Yeah, I think I can see it. So it's one of those ones where you walk behind it with a bristle mower in the front. Doesn't run, he said, but it's free, so. And I'll take anything free. It's right. Oh, yep, there it is. Where can I park the truck? I guess we'll just park it right here. Said I could. And we'll kind of do it like this. That's his driveway for some reason. Don't ask. This guy's really weird. And so I'm trying to hustle and also I'm parked in the middle of the road, so. Alright, so look at this. It's a bristle cut mower. It's a free sign on it. Let's just throw that. Okay, so she doesn't run, so we're just gonna push her. Right onto the trailer. Ugh. And we need to go to the tractor store and get a new bristle. Go ahead and put 2 straps on her. That should be good. Alright, let's go down to the tractor store and go get some parts for this thing. Oh, it's right here actually. Okay. Alright, let's pull up here. Park the truck. Put the truck on the side of the road here so then we can just pull out right away. Park it right there. Looks like a lawn decoration for the store. They'll like that. Okay. So Clever Motors. Let's see what you got. Thank you, sir. Alright, we got a recoil, a new mower, some new blades, and some throttle controls. Because I saw all those things were snapped. Especially like recoil. I didn't even want to pull. I don't even think this thing has compression. Not very much compression though. So yeah. So we're gonna have to figure that out and see if we can get some compression out of this thing. Alright, flying 6th gear. Oh, I need Mexican food. I need Mexican food. I love it. There it is. Here's the Taco Bell. Talk a lot about you, Bell. Oh, whoa, I just missed the window. Hello, can I get a bean burrito with no cheese and nacho fries? Thank you. Thank you for that. Have a good day. Alright. No cop, no stop. Alright. So now, let's go back to the farm. Oh, I'm going too fast. And try to make this thing run. Try, I say, you know. Okay, because this thing is kind of heavy, so I don't really want to push it around. Let's see if we can back the trailer up to it. Oh, it's jackknifing. Hold on, guys. Okay, we'll put it right there. Okay. Shut down the old truck. Throw the strap. Alright. This thing is heavy, bro. It's heavy to walk with. Like having to waddle. See me? Alright. Now. Let's throw the boxes on the bench. Who put paintbrushes on my workbench? Who put them here? Take those off. We need room for the boxes. Alright. I need to move my bench or my chair. Okay. Alright, here's our recoil. Let's go ahead and pull her off. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, that should be good. Let's put the handle controls on. Alright. See if she'll run now. She should run. Oh yeah. She runs. She's running. I want to show mow. Let's go try. My front yard needs to be mowed anyways. Alright, let's lower the deck. Ooh. Oh yeah. Bristles are spinning. Ooh, she's good too. Oh my, she's good at mowing. Wow. She ain't got very much tread on those tires. Those people must have used her quite a lot. They must have pulled on her a bunch to break that recoil too, because those things are pretty strong, you know? So I doubt what he said is true, where he just said, oh yeah, it just randomly snapped on me. Yeah, sure. Dummy. Let's get up next to the barn. Is that what I think it is? I don't know. I'm sorry. It's not like what it was. Alright. Let's get up on the back of the house here. Get around my propane tank. Make it all look all nice and beautiful. Get around the trash cans. Let's get around the car shed. Okay. This is moving pretty good. much you can do around trees. Let's try it. Let's try around this tree right here. Oh yeah, she's nice at that. Let's bring her over here. That looks pretty good so far. Oh, we need to finish this right here. Oh, right here. This is some thick stuff back here. It's starting to grind. I wonder how good she is at mowing ditches. Yeah, she's pretty good. Ah, get her up there. I'd say this is a pretty good free lawnmower. I'll say. Alright, let's check out our job. Wow. She did nice. Our propane tank, trash cans, the front, flag, a beautiful American flag. Yeah, she did pretty good, I would say. Let's go put her away. I got some crops growing over here. I got 3 fields of it. 2? Yeah, 3. Can't remember how many fields I owned. Oh, I need to do over here actually. Alright guys, well, I guess I'm going to end this video right here. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share like always. Peace.